Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm LB. Today I'll be showing how to install the Fireball Tool SideKick Vise 4-inch for the Dragon Wagon fixture welding table and a gotcha that I ran into. So it comes with 2 mounting bolts and tapered shim and bolt, and then it has 2 bags of spacers and bolts for if you were going to do it on, I believe it's a do-it-yourself welding table, which this isn't. So basically these 2 bags of parts are unnecessary for my setup, and all I need is the vise and the 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and 2 spacers, except for one more thing that I'll show you at the end. All right, let's get started. All right, first things first, get this thing over on the welding table. I already know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it 3 in from the end. You can't put it all the way at the end because of the leg. Then you can't get to the screw from underneath, or the nut, excuse me. The hell did I do with the other bolt? Oh, it's already in it. All right, so get the 2 bolts in. I already know where I'm going to put it. I found it easier to have it at least half open so you can grab the weight, and the 2 rods and the screw go below the table, and then the other 2 mounting bolts, of course, go into the 3/4 inch holes like that. This is supposed to be flush up against the table like it is right now. The problem that I found is put the spacer on, and then you take the nut, and if you put it all the way on, it bottoms out. So you might be able to see that there's a 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch space between the nut where it bottoms out and the spacer. So I contacted Fireball Tool, and they were super helpful. I sent pictures, and they're like, oh yeah, you're right. And they sent 2 spacers. Seemed like an afterthought because they're aluminum, but they're the right size. And I'd prefer steel, so I don't have to worry about over tightening it, but I'll just be careful. So take off the nut. I do the color, since my color scheme is black and red. Put on the spacer. Oh, and of course, first I thought, oh, these little spacers that it comes with, this is for a pan that can be underneath to catch slag, and this is used underneath to space that tray down so that the vise rods have room to go in. I'm like, oh, maybe it doubles up for this. Unfortunately, it doesn't. The diameter is incorrect. It's too small. It won't fit over the mounting bolt. You'll need these spacers if you're going on the Dragon Wagon, and this specific vise is for the Dragon Wagon. It just seems to be an oversight, and they're super helpful, and I really appreciated that, and it's not that big a deal. They sent it, took about a week. I love this guy's, Jason's tools, and his shop, and his videos, his gear is epic. I'm trying to get it over as much as I can on the table so it's out of the way. I have a small shop, otherwise I wouldn't mind having it all the way on the end, but I don't have enough room for that. And also I do want it out so that I can use it to hold pieces as I'm welding or grinding. Okay, I get a wrench. It might be an inch. I'll just grab both. So 15/16. I didn't really look at it like I should have. Yep, it's 15/16. Okay, let me get a ratchet. It's pretty easy install, but since there was no instructions and I didn't see him have a video on how to do it specifically for the Dragon Wagon, I thought I'd throw the video up, and also because I had the spacer issue, so that if somebody else gets it before they fix their stock or whatever, they'll know you're not missing something. It's just a goof up on their part. Super excited about this, because I just need it for holding not things I'm going to bang on. Obviously this is like a wood vise. It's not that vise that he's made that's super Jason's made for Fireball tools that's super badass, but I just don't have a huge need for it, and the price is hard to justify. Maybe someday. But this would be great for just holding something to do a weld, or if you've seen the videos, you could do the fixture stuff on top, which I got some more fences and stuff like that. And it comes with 4 pins. Oh yeah, I didn't show you that. Comes with 4 pins. So yeah, these are the pins. It comes with 4 of them. The one thing that I did find with these is they need like a groove or spline or whatever you want to call it on the side, or a bleeder hole in the bottom, because it's so well machined that it's so tight that you fight the air when you go to put it in. See how hard it is to put in, and when I take it out, it's like pulling it out. So if you just had a groove up the side of this, then it'd let the air pass for putting them in or out. But anyways, super excited to use this. Takes up so much less space. I had a big regular vise here and it was always in the way, and I rarely used it, and anything I used it for was just light duty. Hold this while I grind it, or hold that. And I saw this during the 4th of July sale. I'm like, oh, I got to get one of them because that's badass. It's exactly what I need. That about does it. Hope that helps. Until next time, good luck on your projects.